How to transfer from Cash App to Crypto.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from your Cash App to Crypto.com. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to transfer from Cash App to Crypto.com, we have to copy the wallet address from our Crypto.com app. So now, just open up the Crypto.com application and then you want to click on where it says transfer. And once you choose the option called transfer, since this is actually a deposit, we'll just choose the option called deposit right over here. And once you choose deposit, we'll choose the option called crypto. And once you choose crypto, here you'll be able to see all of the crypto that you might want to send from Cash App to your Crypto.com app. So just select any of the crypto that you would like to send. I'll just select Bitcoin, and then here you'll show me my Bitcoin wallet address. All I have to do is just copy the wallet address by tapping on this little button over here. Now once I copy the wallet address, I have to go ahead and then open up my Cash App. And then once I open my Cash App, you want to come to this Bitcoin and investing tab from this bottom right. And then once you're on that tab, again you want to make sure you're under the Bitcoin tab. And then here you'll find this little DMs icon. So just tap on the DMs icon over here. And once you tap on that little DMs icon, what you want to do is it'll ask you the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. So just enter the Bitcoin value in dollar amount or anywhere else. And once you've done that, just tap on the send option. And once you do that, over here is exactly where we want to paste the wallet address that we copied earlier from our Crypto.com application. So paste the wallet address over here, and then it'll show this. If it doesn't show this, then it's a wrong address, so you have to keep that in mind. Then after that, just click on it, tap on the next option from the top right. It'll ask you to confirm your withdrawal, confirm it, confirm with your cash pin as well. And as you can see, it says that we have initiated a withdrawal of this much BTC. And that's all it takes to transfer from Cash App to Crypto.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.